On Tuesday, the Duchess of Edinburgh visited Dogs for Autism at their site in Alton to learn about the positive impact of these assistant dogs. Her Royal Highness visited the charity's training centre where trainee assistant dogs Buddy, Jack and Finn demonstrated their training. Buddy, who regularly appears on ITV's This Morning, was joined by the show's resident vet and charity ambassador Dr. Scott Miller. During the visit, the Duchess of Edinburgh also met staff members, trustees, charity supporters and local volunteers, as well as the newest member of the team, 9-week-old Cavalier King Charles Spaniel Louis. While delighting in puppy cuddles from Louis, the Duchess learnt about his background as he was bred by a specialist cardiac vet dedicated to eradicating the specific health challenges that can affect Cavaliers. Louis' older sibling Lexi is already part of the Dogs for Autism team, and the charity are delighted with her work.